let's do a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. In order to do this, you want to put the pointy end of your compass on one of the endpoints of the line segment, and then you take your pencil or the drawing end and you want to go a little more than halfway, somewhere in between halfway and all the way across, so a little more than halfway, and you are going to make an arc from there. And without changing the width of your compass, so you do not want to squeeze it together, you take it and you go to the other end point and you make the arc from the other side. Now if you make a mistake and you end up changing the width of it, you're like, oh no! What you would need to do is you need to go back and just make sure you get it back to that original width, okay? So you don't have to redraw the first arc. After you've made the first arc and the second arc, right there, then you are going to take and where you have an intersection of two arcs, those are going to be points that you will have, and you will take those points and using a straight edge or a ruler or a yardstick in this case, you want to connect the lines on those 2 points. And what we have here in red is going to be the perpendicular bisector of that line in blue. So it made a 90-degree angle, and essentially what we did is we had that original line, we were able to take it and we cut it in half into 2 equal halves, and we made a 90-degree angle when we did that. That is what the perpendicular bisector is, and that is what we did.